Hey everybody, it's Christina Daves with your Get Famous Friday PR tip. Today I want to talk about hashtags. Hashtags are how you get found. So important to grow that muscle memory of starting to use hashtags in all of your social media posts. LinkedIn is really starting to use it now. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. I don't think they're using it as much as possible as the other ones are. I wouldn't load up on hashtags like you can on Instagram, but you could do a hashtag or two in Facebook. So what I want you to do is do some research, do some homework, find out what hashtags are relevant to you and your business. What hashtags are your customers searching for? Because that's what you want to use, and set up some notes in your phone, do an index card on your desk, something so that you have it really convenient so that when you're doing your posts, you don't have to go through this every single time. Oh, what hashtag should I use for this one? And I would find 50. You're never going to put 50 hashtags in a post, but that way you've got 50 really good hashtags that are related to your business. Hashtagify.me is a really good one. It tells you how high they rank. So just do, Google's amazing. Do some research on there, but it's really worth your time to spend an hour or so to find those hashtags that your customers are looking for so that your customers find you and not your competitors. So I hope you like that tip. If you want more, feel free to join me in my free PR challenge, yourprchallenge.com. Give me 10 minutes a day and I will exponentially grow your visibility. So I hope to see you there, and otherwise I'll see you next week for another Get Famous PR tip.